I think it's fixed this time.
Shh! Be quiet, Manny. Everyone is still sleeping.
But we woke up early. What can we do now? We'll try to turn it on ever so quietly.
What if it's not fixed? And it'll make insane noises and smoke pours out all over the place. I just think you should try it after everyone wakes up.
I tightened these screws, and these ones here, so I think it's repaired. No need to worry, Minnie.
Of course. I can totally fly as well.
Shh! Shh!
It didn't make a pat noise, but it made a pot noise.
Shh! Don't do it, Manny. You'll wake everyone up.
I wonder if it'll make a noise when we go this way.
I just woke up, okay, sis? I can't believe this! I really woke up before my sister for the first time in my life!
Shh! I told you, Manny.
I am finally the earliest to wake up!
Hey, man. Why did you wake up so early today?
Early, huh?
Stop it, Manny. Look, you woke Mutlu up, silly.
Oh, bah. Why on earth do I even try anymore, huh?
Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside you.